Okay. Hello everyone. I'm back with my next lecture, and today I'm going to give you a short tutorial on argumentative essays. In an argumentative essay, we basically are going to learn how to develop an argumentative essay, how to write an argument, and then how to revise an argument essay. So if we talk about an argue means, you need to think about the ways how you can argue with the other person and how you can convince them about your ideas, plans, or actions. Like you need to persuade them. You will argue your points, you will convince them, you will persuade them for your idea, for your actions, or for your plans. You will need to persuade them what you think and what you believe in or what you want them to do. So, argumentative essay is a genre of writing that requires the students to investigate a topic. Obviously, you cannot write upon a topic unless you research upon that particular topic. You collect the results, you generate, a proper flow. You evaluate what are the pros and cons, and then you establish a position that whether you are in favor of the topic or you are against the topic. If we talk about the structure of an argumentative essay, so in an argumentative essay, you will give your stance in the first paragraph, which can be your thesis statement as well, and you're going to be very clear that which side are you on. Are you whether you are in the favor or you are in the against. Obviously, whenever you have the introduction, body, or conclusion, obviously you need to see that there is a clear and logical transition between them. You are linking the paragraphs, you are linking the sentences. With for that you need to use the linking words. Remember that we talked about the conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. We when we were studying writing process, we talked about the transition words, therefore, hence, even though, consequently, firstly, secondly, thirdly. Obviously we need to add them to link between the paragraphs. Obviously, your body paragraph will have evidence, supporting the concrete supporting material, which can be a fact, which can be a quotation, it can be a story, it can be some statistics, and with that you will prove your point. And then in the conclusion, you will not only talk about what you have discussed. It will not only have the summary, but it will tell that as per the evidences, what you have said is correct. So again, the basic outline will comprise of these four things. The first will be an introduction. You will start your essay with a motivator, something which will grab the attention of the people. You will give a back, you will give a simple central idea about that particular topic, and then you will clearly take a stance that whether you are in favor or you are in the against. Then you have the body paragraph. Your body paragraph will have the three main body paragraphs, and in them you will have the three main topic sentences, which will be the three main line of argument that you have. With each line of argument, you will have main points, the reasons why you support those line of argument, and you will provide evidences with it as well. In an argumentative essay, you don't only need to prove your point, but you need to refute the points of the other person as well. You need to prove other person wrong as well. So in the first two, three body paragraphs, you are going to talk about your points, you're going to prove your point, and then in the last body paragraph, that will be your counter argument. You are going to anticipate that what the other person can say against the topic, against your point. So you are going to say that okay, some people believe that this is not true, but, and then you're going to prove them wrong as well. In the conclusion, you will rephrase the thesis statement, you will summarize, and you're going to tell them, okay, now I proved my point, so what is next? What is the next thing that people should do? If we talk about the main arguments, as I said, your main line of argument, as I just told you, that you would need, a main reason. Why do you believe in that? Your first, you will be your claim. Why do you believe in such thing? Then, what is your, why do you believe in that thing? And then you're going to give the evidences as well. The evidences can be facts, statistics, examples, or experiences. For this, you can use any of the three appeals. You can use rational appeal, emotional appeal, or dual appeal. Rational appeal means you're going to logically reason with them, and you're going to tell them that, see, you need to be fair, you need to be efficient, you need to take the side of the correct person. So that's the most logical and rational thing to do. The second is an emotional appeal. You are going to tell them that, see, you're going to make them feel what is going on. You're going to ask them to put themselves in the shoes and understand what is going on, and you're going to arouse emotions in them, feelings in them, so that they agree to you. Last appeal is a dual appeal, in which both party are going to benefit. Both type of benefits will be there. That means you benefit something and I benefit something. It's a win-win kind of situation. So this is the basic thing that we write our essay on. The basic essay outline remains the same, but it's the counter argument that comes in, which is different in argumentative essay from the simple expository essay. So this was a short tutorial on argumentative essay, or the how you're going to persuade the other person. If you have any question, you can write below the, you can just comment below the video, and I'll be very happy to answer them. And if you have, and I mean, if you have any other queries, you can easily comment below the video and I'll answer. Thank you.